Hi, it's Sarah and welcome to my online workshop for April. So tonight, as always, this is how it works. I say tonight, but you might be watching this at a different time of day. So I'm just going to run through how things work. I'm going to be doing an online workshop with 4 different projects. You can watch along for free, no problem. If you want to place an order with me, then you'll get certain goodies with that. No matter what size order you place with me, you will get a thank you card from me through the post. If your order goes over £30, then you're also going to get the Ideas Tutorial Bundle. This is a PDF tutorial with lots of different projects in, and this month our projects are all about cards that move. Let me bring mine in. So this is actually my contribution to the tutorial bundle this month, and this card has a little pop-up, and I was hoping to use these papers for the projects for this online workshop, but the papers are available, but the stamps and dies and the little dots aren't available at the moment. They should be coming into stock, but I don't know when that will be, so I didn't want to disappoint, so I've used different ones. So if your order goes over £30, you're going to get the thank you card and the tutorial bundle that includes tutorials for cards that move. If your order goes over £50, then as well as the thank you card and the tutorial bundle, you're also going to get the April make and take pack from me. So this is the make and take pack. We're going to be going through each of these projects so you can see how they're put together. I've got 2 that are using the colour kaleidoscope kit, but we've separated out the kit. You'll see more about that as we go along. And then I've got 2 that use the Something Fancy bundle that you could get now and get 10% off, or it will still be available in the new catalogue separately as dies and stamps. You won't get the discount. So we're using those, and we're using retiring colours. And I've recorded a short video about our retiring colours because we're having a colour refresh in the new catalogue, and that means we've got some colours that are retiring from the main groups, so I wanted to cover those. But Pale Papaya is going, Soft Succulent is going, and I've also used Evening Evergreen ink, and that's going as well. So if you spend over £50, you're going to get this make and take pack as well. Yours may vary just a little. It might be a different one from the kit. It might possibly be just a slightly different pattern. If your order goes over £70, then you're going to get the thank you card, the tutorial bundle, the make and take pack, and 24 sheets of 6x6 DSP, which will stand you well for making a whole variety of other projects as well. So if you need any help ordering, then please do get in touch with me. I'm more than happy to help you place an order. And we're going to move on. Like I say, I'm just going to go do a quick video about the retiring colours, and then we're going to go through each project one at a time. Thank you.